Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Tech Hire Buddy. If you're a fresher looking for your first IT job, then this video is for you. Because today, I'll be talking about a massive off-campus hiring drive by HCL Technologies for multiple roles, including automation testing, .NET, Java, Oracle, SQL, and mainframe. The best part? It's open for fresh graduates, 0 years of experience. So stay tuned till the end, because I'll also tell you how to apply, the eligibility, salary details, and preparation tips. HCL Technologies Limited is one of India's top IT service and consulting companies. It offers career opportunities for both freshers and experienced candidates across various domains: software development, testing, AI, and cloud. This hiring drive is specially for fresh graduates who want to start their career in the tech industry. With over 1,000 plus vacancies, this is one of the biggest recruitment drives right now. So, let's look at the key job highlights. Job type: full-time, permanent. Experience required: 0 years. Salary: between 3.25 rupees to 4.25 rupees LPA. Vacancies: 1,000 plus across India. Locations: Pune, Noida, Madurai, Vijayawada, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Chennai, and Bengaluru. This means you can apply no matter where you're from. There are multiple openings across different cities. HCL is offering 5 major roles in this hiring drive. Let's go through them one by one. Automation testing, Selenium. Here you'll work on designing and executing automated test scripts. You'll help ensure applications are bug-free and perform well. .NET Developer. In this role, you'll develop and maintain web applications using C# and the .NET framework. Perfect for those who love backend and web app development. Java Full Stack Developer. You'll handle both front-end and back-end work using Java, Spring Boot, and frameworks like Angular or React. A great opportunity to work as a full-stack engineer. Oracle PL SQL Developer. This role is all about databases, writing stored procedures, optimizing performance, and working with enterprise-level data. Mainframe Developer. If you're into legacy enterprise systems, this one's for you. You'll work with COBOL, JCL, and other mainframe technologies used in large-scale companies. Eligibility criteria. Now let's see who can apply. Education: B.EB.Tech MSc, CAS, IT, IS, ECE, EI, or MCA. Percentage: minimum 70% in 10th, 12th, and UG/PG. Skills: you should have either a certification or project experience in Java, .NET, SQL, or other mentioned technologies. Only core engineering or technology students can apply, meaning non-technical degrees won't be eligible. As a fresher joining HCL, your responsibilities will include collaborating with teams to design, develop, and test solutions. Participating in all phases of the software development life cycle. Debugging and improving existing code. Learning new technologies on the job and applying them in real projects. You'll get exposure to real-world IT systems used by clients globally. To succeed in these roles, you should have a strong foundation in Java or .NET programming, SQL and PL SQL concepts, automation testing tools like Selenium, mainframe basics if you're applying for that domain, problem solving and debugging skills. If you have completed a project or internship in any of these, make sure you highlight it in your resume. HCL offers an amazing environment for freshers to grow. You'll get global exposure to projects and clients, hands-on learning with real technology stacks, mentorship from senior developers, skill building programs and certifications, balanced work culture with strong career growth opportunities. So, if you're looking for a stable start in IT, HCL is a great choice. Here's how you can apply. Visit the official HCL Careers portal or Naukri job page for this listing. Create or update your HCL account. Prepare your resume mentioning your technical projects and certifications clearly. Apply for the role that best suits your skills. Shortlisted candidates will receive an email or call for the assessment round and interviews. Here are some quick tips to boost your chances. Learn Java, SQL, and OOPS concepts thoroughly. Practice aptitude and logical reasoning. Revise your final year project. It will be asked in the interview. Be confident while explaining your skills and interests. So that's all about the HCL Technologies Freshers Hiring Drive for 2025. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more job updates and placement guidance. Thanks for watching. All the best for your HCL application.